So this is not acceptable at any time. We are not bringing dry hair into the winter. No, 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 no. Hey everyone, it's me coming to you, Curly, and today I'm going to be doing a bentonite healing clay treatment to my hair using these products. You want to make sure that you use everything that your mixing products are all plastic or at least non-metal so that it does not cancel out the benefits of the bentonite clay. I'm not really doing exact measurements of what I'm using. I kind of guesstimate because I've done this quite a few times before, but I will put in the description of the video a little basic recipe so that you kind of have a guide as to what you can do. But the thing I like about this treatment is you can really add in a lot of things or little to none of anything. You can make it almost a 2-ingredient process or a 10 to 12 ingredient process. It all depends on what you like or your hair's needs and vice versa. One thing I will say about the oil that I'm using, it is an Ayurvedic oil and it's full of many herbs and also essential oils ingredients. So if you really want that nice tingling sensation in your scalp or just on your hair and you want all the other benefits of the Ayurvedic herbs, I highly recommend this oil, and I will link that in the description of the video as well where you can find it. Now that my hair is pretty much wet, more damp, I'm applying the mask to my hair, and I want to make sure, or you want to make sure that you get your hair thoroughly coated with the mask. It can have an effect of drying fairly quickly sometimes, especially if it's not really watery, which is why I made sure that I made my consistency more watery than like pancake batter, because I really wanted to make sure that it got through my hair a lot easier. With my hair being high porosity, it absorbs things a lot faster, but if it is too thick, sometimes it will not get to the extra layers of my hair and it will just get the top part. So you want to make sure that all of your hair gets all the benefits. So now this is pretty much the clay going everywhere. And since I had a little bit more, I was like, well, I don't want to waste it. I'm just going to keep applying some more and get that into my scalp and the rest of my strands. Now, after about 30 minutes of letting this sit on my hair, I decided to make a extra batch of the clay to apply to my face. This has really great benefits for your face with detoxing out your pores and pulling out all types of toxins, dirt, and oil, which I have oily skin, so it's really good for me to do this type of mask treatment just as much as it is for my hair. The wonderful thing about it is when it hardens up, it kind of has this pulsating sensation, but it also makes you feel like you cannot move. So, yeah. But now after rinsing that out, this is what my hair looks like. My skin feels great as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you did. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.